Okay, so let's solve the second equation. First, let's put the denominators in factored form. So here we'll have x over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 4 equals 2 over, and we can factor this trinomial by using a 2 by 2 box. And the factors will be x minus 4, x minus 2. Okay, the denominators are all different, but we see only two different factors. One of the factors is x minus 2, and the other factor is x minus 4. If we put the two together, we call this the LCD. Now, what we want to happen is for the denominators of all fractions in the equation to be the same as the LCD. So what we're going to do is multiply this by x minus 4 over x minus 4. Then now the denominator is like the LCD. And for the second fraction here, we will multiply this by x minus 2 over x minus 2. And the last fraction here, we don't need to change anything. It is already, the denominator is already like the LCD. All right, so now this equation still looks very complicated. So what we want to do is eliminate the denominator. And we can do that by multiplying all of the terms in the equation by the LCD, which is x minus 2 times x minus 4. Okay, so when we multiply this by the first fraction, the denominator will cancel. So we'll have just x times x minus 4. Plus, if we multiply this by the second fraction, denominators will cancel, and so we will have just x minus 2, or 1 times x minus 2. I'll just put x minus 2 equals, and then when we multiply the LCD by this fraction, so the denominator cancels and we'll just have 2. Okay, and then we continue solving. This is now easier to solve because there's no more fractions. Okay, so let's solve. We'll have here x times x is x squared minus 4x plus x minus 2 equals 2. Okay, we combine like terms, and so this becomes x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 2. Now, because the highest exponent of x is 2, this is quadratic. And so we want the other side, the right side, to become 0. So we'll bring over the 2 to this side. So we subtract 2 to both sides. And we're going to have x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Now, how can we solve this quadratic equation? We can use quadratic formula, we can use factoring, we can use completing the square, or we can even use graphing. But I think factoring is the easiest one. We can use any. All right, so we can factor this using the 2 by 2 rectangle again. I'm not going to show you how to do that. So here are the factors: x minus 4, x plus 1. Okay, and that's right. That's going to give us this product here, x squared minus 2x minus 4. All right, so now we want to find the value of x, and we can just equate each factor to 0. X minus 4 equals 0, therefore x equals 4. And x plus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x equals negative 1. All right, so we have found the two solutions. Now, let's check if these answers make sense. So let's go back to the denominators, and let's see if there's any restrictions. So since the denominators are x minus 2 and x minus 4, the zeros are 2 and 4. So that means we do not want the value of x to be 2 or 4. Could be anything else, but not 2 and 4. Okay, so since 4 is one of the zeros of the denominator, then we say that 4 is an extraneous solution. This is extraneous. Okay, now -1 is not a zero of the denominator. So let's check if it works. So we'll have here, okay, I'm going to show the checking here. 1, -1 over -1 minus 2. So we're just plugging in. Plus 1 over -1 minus 4. Is it equal to 2 over -1 squared minus 6 times -1 plus 8. Okay, so let's see. This is going to be -1 over -3 plus 1 over -5 equals 2 over +1. -6 times -1 is +6 plus 8. Okay, which gives us 2 over 7 plus 8, 15. 2 over 15. All right, so the left side, we can multiply this by -5 times -5, and this times 3 times 3 times -3. So we'll have here okay, 5 over 15 plus -3 over 15. And this is going to give us 2 over 15, which is equal to 2 over 15. So that means x equals -1 is a solution. That's it.